This AI tennis robot can help you go from this to this.
Bling, bling.
Nice.
This is the Pace S Pro from Pongbot, the world's first true AI tennis ball machine. If you want to improve your tennis game, this is what you get. Before I dive into it, let me show you how accurate it is.
Ooh, that was close.
All the balls landed within 2 feet, so pretty good accuracy. Okay, so now it's time to train. Since I'm new to tennis, I started with the basic exercises. And in this category, there are many options. When you pick one, it shows you exactly where the ball's going to land and what type of spin it will have. You can then choose the time between each ball up to 30 seconds, a time limit or a ball limit, the level of difficulty, if you're right or left-handed, and if you want the ball every couple of seconds or random. After you hit the start button, it gives you a 5-second countdown before it launches the first ball. It's been a minute since I played tennis, but here we go. This is pretty nice because you can just stay right here. I am by no means a good tennis player. I played a couple dozen times in my life. Pickleball is my sport. Racquetball is my sport. Tennis, oh wow, could be my sport. I've got the remote now, and you can change everything in here as you can in the app. Just a little bit easier. Fits right in your pocket, nice and small. For this round, I'm gonna do a baseline forehand fixed point shot. Difficulty level, let's take it up to 2 stars. 3 stars is the most difficult. I don't think I'm there yet. In fact, I don't think I'm to an 1/8 of a star yet, but that's fine. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's happening. Gives you a countdown on that thing. Going right here. Oh! Yes. Yes, perfect. Oh, that was way bad. Oh, that's over the net, or over the fence. Yes. It's embarrassing how sucky I am at this. Dang it. Yes. Now we're getting the hang of it. Oh, nope, never mind. Whew. Okay. There you go. I'm actually out of breath. Oh. It beeped twice fast to let me know that it's done. A few minutes later, I had my buddy Rob try it.
Okay, we got Rob hitting forehand, baseline. I'll delete that one out, don't worry. And that one. I'm gonna take it up to level 3, 3 stars. Wish me luck.
Oh man, getting this crap.
Oh yeah.
When you increase the level from 1 to 3 stars, the ball speed can increase up to 80 miles per hour.
Oh, holy moly. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
The placement is also more random. There's also a short reaction time between shots, more spin, either top spin, slice, or a combo of both. Overall, it forces you to move, recover, and then plan for the next shot, just like in a real game. Next, we tried a combo exercise. This one moves you from side to side so you can practice your forehand and backhand. And before you start, you can run a test and then adjust the ball as needed.
Okay, this one is a 3-hit one, 3-hit volley, and it's gonna put different spins. Show us the stuff, Rob. Yeah.
The first is a lob shot with pretty much 0 spin. And then the next 2 have top spin with different speeds and positions. This was one of my favorites because of how much variety you get, and it makes you run around the court. Yeah. I only did a 1-star difficulty on this, which was plenty hard. Now here's where the AI genius of this robot comes to life. With these clips, which you connect here, here, and here,
Put that on you.
these relay information back to the robot. And with this setup, it's time to try these smart pace drills. In this program, you have to move around to different areas of the court in order for the robot to register you. And once it does, it then launches the
Runs
ball.
over, hits it.
Went over.
Yep. Comes up in the middle, shoots it right. Good shot, wow. And then goes up further on the left. Once she's in the box, it'll pop it up for the slam. Yeah.
In this drill, I started at the center baseline. The robot then sends the ball just to my right. I then go back and step to the left for the second launch position. And then the robot launches to the far right. I then move to the left side and the robot launches to the right side. And then back to the left side to trigger the lob ball to the right side. This is a 4-ball rally and it does wear you out pretty fast, but it's also pretty fun. The last one we tried was a match challenge. With this one, it feels like you're playing a real player. The robot's gonna adjust based on your swing and movement and position, which means that the balls never land in the same area and have add different speeds and spins. And with these exercises, you can go up to a skill level of 10. I kept it at level 5, which was plenty hard for me. Now, there are 560 drills that you can choose from. And if you don't like the pre-programmed drills, you can create your own with multiple shots, spins, speeds, and placements. Since the unit is placed at the center of the baseline, it has access to the entire court. There's no place it can't send a ball. And if you have a buddy that has a drill that he made up that you like, they can share it with you. Oh, and the bin can hold up to 150 balls, and this can run for 8 hours. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to check this thing out, I've got the link in the bio. And if you like robots, I got 2 other robot videos right up here. So go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, wow.